Hello, my dear friends. Good evening, you all. Respected dignitaries from Dharampet Education Society, Nagpur. Chairperson, Advocate Ullas Aurangabadkar sir. Vice President, Advocate Sanjeev Deshpande sir. Secretary, Shri Ratnakar Kekatpure sir. Principal of the college, Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe sir. Vice Principal, Dr. Mrs. Archana Kulkarni madam. Respected teachers, friends, and my dear student participants. I, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, coordinator of this workshop and founder of Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences. Take this opportunity to propose the formal vote of thanks. Before concluding remark, I would like to inform you about the future plans, aims and objectives of this online platform. Friends, I already cleared many things regarding the establishment of this online platform Botany for You in my first day's introductory remark. It was not only the aim of this online platform to organize one workshop for the students. This was the only firstmost activity to bring the students on a common platform. From here onwards, we will extend our number of activities on various topics of life sciences as well as the titles related to career opportunities and personality development. Every time there will be a message or YouTube video release for upcoming events with its details so that maximum number of students can take the benefit of every lecture in future also. Hence, all of you are requested to like and subscribe our YouTube channel Botany for You. I think you are need not paying anything to like and subscribe the channel through which we are providing our facilities. Then also very poor response from the student side. Once again, I appeal you all for like and subscription of the channel through which we are streaming our lectures. This will play a role for your support, cooperation, encouragement, appreciation to each of the faculty associated with us on this group Botany for You. Dear students, the workshop was not organized for any type of credit, not even for the distribution of the certificates. Hence, I would like to suggest you one thing, that not to run behind the certificates or any other such piece of paper. Instead of this, try to introduce some productive knowledge in your brain so that it will help you to generate such many certificates. This is not in a mean that we will not provide you the certificates. Absolutely not. We will provide the certificates to everyone subject to the terms and conditions. Everyone is expected to watch all the lectures shared over here with you on this online platform. For this, we are providing one day to you so that everyone can watch all the lectures organized during these 3 days of our national workshop. On the basis of all these lectures, there will be a multiple choice questions based online test on 29th May 2020 in the evening from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. only. During this examination, you are hereby informed to fill your every detail carefully, because that will be used for the generation of certificates. Also, there will be questions on feedback on the workshop, suggestion box, section on questions on earlier sessions, so that in next sessions we can provide you the answers or satisfaction, and one video upload option, not compulsory, for maximum 1 minute duration or 20 MB, so that you can shoot your video and upload on the Google form shared on 29th May 2020. Those students who will secure 50% or more marks will be awarded with certificates. Also, I would like to clear one thing, that it is difficult to generate the certificates for such huge number of students in a single day. Hence, the certificates will be generated and sent on respective email IDs of every eligible student. In short, this means there will be a gap on 28th May 2020 to watch all the lectures provided during these 3 days of workshop, and online examination with feedback on Google Form on 29th May 2020 from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. will be available. Today, we have more than 5,000 registered participants from all over the India for this workshop, and more than 4,250 participants on our Telegram group Botany for You. In near future, we are planning to enhance this number of students on the group up to 50,000 or even more within a short period of time. For this, we will continuously work together to increase the number of students on the group Botany for You. For this, I request you all to assist in organization as a member of our online platform, and also try to contribute in building a big group or an organization. This is only for the benefits of the students of life sciences. So it's our moral responsibility to spread this information to every student of life sciences known to us. Friends, on quarterly basis, we will provide and or share a Google form with you, and there will be a choice of titles for the upcoming lectures. And as per the needs of the students on our online platform Botany for You, we will try our best to provide the similar lectures. Also, for this Telegram group has the facility to take a polls that will also be used wherever necessary in future planning on the group. We will routinely provide lots of lectures on life sciences topics from BSc Part 1 to MSc, as well as NET and SLET related topics which are organized by CSIR UGC and respective state governments, and also try our best to provide the lectures on competitive examinations and personality development in every month. On coming 11th and 25th June 2020, we are planning to provide you another session in life sciences on the topics yet to be covered in earlier sessions. We will also try our best to provide other lectures related to career opportunities and personality development. The schedule for these upcoming events will be announced on our YouTube channel Botany for You. Also, I am happy to announce that from the second week of June 2020, we will issue the guidelines and registration forms for the faculties all over the India to become a member of Botany for You, and online platform for the students of life sciences. Soon, the complete details will be released through social media. Dear friends, our mission is to empower students to be achievers, responsible, committed individuals with human values, so that they can become assets to family, society, nation, and the world. For this, we need your support, cooperation, enthusiasm, interest, seriousness, hard working, etc., which will help to carve your best career in this collaborative efforts through this online platform Botany for You. Now it's time to propose a formal vote of thanks for this event. Not everyone is techno-savvy and ready to handle all type of softwares useful for online lectures. Then also, every of our speaker tried hard to prepare their lectures for you on this platform. It's really a matter of proud for me to have such devoted and hardworking speakers who are associated with us on this platform. On behalf of Department of Botany, Dharampet Empidev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Maharashtra. I, Dr. P.T. Humne, Associate Professor and Head, Coordinator of this workshop and founder of Botany for You, takes this pride to propose a formal vote of thanks. It gives me an immense pleasure to thank Honorable Advocate Shri Ullasji Aurangabadkar Sir, President, for sharing his thoughts with us and his guidance as a chairperson. I am also equally thankful to Advocate Shri Sanjeev Deshpande Sir, Vice President, Shri Ratnakar Kekatpure Sir, Secretary, and all the members of Dharampet Education Society. I take this opportunity to extend our most sincere thanks to Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, Principal, Dharampet Empidev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, and Dr. Mrs. Archana Kulkarni, Vice Principal of the college, and all my colleagues and friends from my institute for their support, cooperation, and appreciation. I also wish to express my gratitude to our guest speakers, Mr. Gajanan Khanande Sir, Deputy Commissioner at Government of Maharashtra, Mumbai, Dr. Suresh Jadhav, Faculty of IAS and Mind Power Trainer, Government of Maharashtra, Mr. Mohan Hardas, Director, Knowledge House, Nagpur, Mr. Prashant Vauge Sir, Class 1 Officer in Finance and Accounts Services, Government of Maharashtra, Mrs. Rashmi P. Vauge, Gazetted Officer in Finance and Accounts, Government of Maharashtra, Mrs. Vibha Jadhav, Director, Premier Academy of Administrative Services, Nagpur, Dr. Rosina Rana, Psychologist and Career Counselor, Head, Priyadarshini Center of Excellence, Nagpur, Dr. Shishir Palsapure Sir, Psychotherapist and an international motivational speaker, Nagpur, Dr. Amishi Arora, Director, Central Institute of Business Management Research and Development, Nagpur, Dr. Nitin Vignesar, Psychologist, Career Counselor and Trainer and Director, Lakshya Aptitude Testing and Career Counseling Center, Nagpur, Dr. Vivek Nanoti Sir, Principal, Priyadarshini Institute of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, Mrs. Vijaya Bhakte Madam, Director and Founder of Clinical Research Services Private Limited, Nagpur, who has taken lots of efforts in making their lecture available for the students of our platform in this workshop. I express my sincere thanks to the faculties from Life Sciences all over the nation and my friends for their support in circulation of the brochure to their students and also for appreciation of the activity, because of whom only we are able to get this huge and overwhelming response and start for our online platform. It's my proud privilege to thank our founder members of Botany for You, Dr. Nishikant Vase, University of Virginia Medical, Charlottesville, Virginia, US, Dr. Nitin Labhane, Associate Professor, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and ex-post-doctoral research scientist, BRS, Hungarian Academy of Sciences. Dr. Tushar Wankhede, Associate Professor, Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. Dr. Deepak Koche, Associate Professor, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra. I wish to thank all the participants from various colleges all over the India for giving us such an overwhelming response in this workshop. I hope you enjoyed all the sessions and also equally benefited with this information provided through our online platform Botany for You. We will extend this platform as an online open access classroom for the students of life sciences in future in a real sense. For this, your cooperation is solicited. Thank you very much, you all. Thanks a lot once again.